Namaste. Today we are going to learn about essential subject geometric solid trivial. In geometric solid trivial, I take here the three different shapes. One is an ellipse, one is an oval, and one is sphere. In trivial, we learn trivial, a third period lesson. In third period lesson, we use three different lesson. In first period, we learn this, second period which where, and third period what. Now we start first period of lesson this. Now I'm going to take one. Okay, baby. This is an oval.
This is an oval.
Very good, baby. I'm going to keep it back on tray. This is an ellipse.
This is an ellipse.
Very good, baby. I'm going to keep it back here. This is sphere.
This is a sphere.
Very good, baby. Now this we finish first period of lesson this. Now we start second period of lesson which and where. So in this lesson I'm going to keep all these solids on mat and ask a question to the baby. Okay, baby, show me which one is an oval.
Okay, ma'am. This one is an oval, ma'am.
Very good, baby. I'm going to change this. Okay, baby. Show me which one is a sphere.
This one is a sphere, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, show me, baby, an ellipse.
This one is an ellipse.
Very good. So, any confusion?
No, ma'am.
I'm going to keep it back this on tray here. So, we finished second period lesson. Now, we start third period of lesson. What geometric solid is this, baby?
This is an ellipse, ma'am.
Very good. I'm going to keep it back. What geometric solid is this, baby?
This is an oval.
Wow, we know it. Okay, so what geometric solid is this, baby?
This is a sphere.
Very good. So you know it. Okay, so we finished this lesson trivial of geometric solid. Thank you.